Guys, let's just unpack on The Real Housewives of Durban, Season 5, Episode 2. Hi guys, yabona sisters, hayi bandla ngosami. Bazijelile le season ukuthi you know what, they're gonna try and be better people, especially wonke umuntu behlezi complain ngayo ukuthi uqala thandazo abe right and then it turns out akaka repent kahle hle qala la lokuthuka abantu, like I said on episode 1. So uloke uLorraine abe ne-event ke uNonku wafike late kwi-event. Yes. Amtshele uLoku ukuthi no what, mina ungabe ufika kwi-event yami late. Hey, but she's like me and I can't stand people who are late. It's like the craziest thing ever. And I normally don't do it. So why are you doing it to me? Please ungafiki late kwi-event yami nami nje. In anything yami. Don't come late. Oh, it's so crazy. And then you are now waiting for the person for hours on end. You like, Aibo, no umuntu. Oh, was she wearing Roberta Cavalli or something like that? Yamazi uNonku namalebula ngithi ugqoka uGucci futhi kule nsuku usamile kancane kwiGucci. uNonku uthi 150,000 outfit ayifakile. Why when I know ubona ukuthi ifanele ukuthi ngithethise? I was wearing very expensive outfit from head to toe, 150K. That's what I was wearing. Lauren wathi hayibo uqala futhi you were not even dressed njengegama lesibongo. Theme yethu wasn't even like that. Like, why would you dress like that? You know, it was almost like like you're going to a tea party, a hat, you know, all of those things in Jay-Z, right? So sisters, I feel and outfit like 150,000. God, I hambelani ni theme of the day. So people are like, I please be nice. Oh, yeah, kuluma uLorraine. I didn't expect that. I should say kulum, but I didn't expect that from pastor's wife. Uyakhuluma umlomo wakhe bese kuzoba anda ngithi on episode 1, sorry, they didn't introduce her properly. Introduce ke nendoda yakhe neyingane. Uyitwini ke at the time, and it looks like she goes everywhere nale twins. Sanda ukusho njalo sithi twins. Nale twin like everywhere guys. Awangeke. They joined on the hip, I guess. Aibo guys, uNonku uzobe ethi, do you know who I am? I'm Nonku Williams International. Guys, uNonku she's a lot, eh? Aibo guys, just as much as uNonku wafika late ku-event omunye umntwana, that event was nice. All the ladies looked so beautiful, guys. Bebegqokile to the T, basically. This is how it's talking like that. You were not even wearing a hat. So what's up with that? Ububona athi mina yabiza outfit yami abantu bangakhuluma baze bakhathana kuNonku Williams mina International. And then uJojo bese invite ama OGs wonke ke, the old cast, to just to make peace. Yakhumbula phela uNonku uqhamuka nezitori zokuthi uSorisha wathi embize ngesifebe and all of that. She did, guys. It's just akasakhumbuli ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. So ufuna baxolelane, but uNonku, she still continues there to say things like, yeah, when uVivu ate the breakfast at the reunion. Guys, an old story. It's a record that has been broken many times. Ilizama ukudlalwa irecord lakhona alidlali. People putting it on the record player and it's actually not even playing. Ngeke sakhathaza istory sokuthi uVivu was threatening us mina ngimsabi. Ha! Guys, can you really say those things? Angimsabi. Oh, guys, uNonku banazo ibindi. Mina nje, I would just let it go. There's a story if I was Nonku. But uNonku end up apologize go Angel benoSorisha ke wazehlisa, because at times, guys, you must just to create peace and move on and release people. Oh, Velus, I'm sorry. Ngiyaxolisa. Obviously, I mean, it must be genuine. I'm really sorry. Ngiyaxolisa ngawo konke engikwenziwe. After the apologies, they had so much fun in those jumping castles. They were like babies, guys. It was so nice to watch. It was beautiful. I enjoy it. It's such a nice day. Asibuyele laphana ke when Lorraine was busy ke criticizing Nonku for coming later. uNonku amtshela ukuthi hayi wena uyangazi, and also mina don't disrespect me. Like, why would you speak to me like that? uLo wasn't backing down ra. Bemphendula. The drama was there. Bisuyibona ukuthi ifuna ukuqala la drama. And uLo uyambona ukuthi nje she was staring. the drama. It's not like she was even helping. I mean, and my thing was that I don't know what is your take, guys, on that, but my thing is that she should have told Unonku on the side who says, please, and at my events, don't come late or don't come at all. Yes, I came fashionably late. Guys, like honestly, who even says that? I know you cool guys. Oh, lalela. Listen, I don't like your tone. I put a man drunk number 61. But my thing is that I wasn't supposed to. That approach did not work. It caused a drama instead. Yeah, Ulo was definitely picking a fight slap. She wasn't helping. Yena as the hostess earlier event, let's say is sitting cake. I mean, I'm just saying, going forward, I'm not that type ongeza event in yakhe late. So please ngincede sis. Ngamane uhlale if you're gonna be late on my event. Like so Ulo was not helping, guys. We busy phikisana no Nonku, the drama. It was a lot. So guys, mawubuka Ulo, was she too much or was Unonku naye ezenze ngathi too sensitive? Unonku is sensitive though. Yo Unonku yakwata ungamboni nje. Lapho guys, but I feel Ulo shouldn't have done it that. Like her approach wasn't the one. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for always looking out for me, especially on this channel. This channel actually grew very fast. This is Linda YouTube basitshela ukuthi bahlanganiseni in the next 2 weeks, and just let me know. Nginthanda over guys. Thank you.